Greetings from Obi-Nukwu Chineke. Today is Thursday, October 31st, 2024, a day known as AFO, a market day in Igbo land, a day of expectation of good results in our involvement to better our life and those around us. Surely you are safe and secure to be here on earth to prove your brain and five fingers via the existence of the wind, water, and sand. These elements, our creator Chukwu Okike Abiyama, uses to sustain all humans and monitors every activity on earth without a single mistake. To avoid, oh, I don't know what I was doing after death. As you go about your daily activities, striving to put food on your table, remember the wind, water, and sand know what is suitable for human life. They will guide you and make it possible for you to achieve greatness in your efforts today. Be great in your life. Ise, meaning so shall it be. Always remember, the love of Chukwu Okike Abiyama here on earth is human life. Not by praying and fasting, but through the love and kindness we show each other daily. What the creator of wind, water, and sand needs from you is to love your fellow human. Do not destroy people's belongings, kill no one, be kind with wisdom and understanding. Greatness is not just in grand gestures, but in the love and kindness we show each other daily. Remember, Chukwu Okike Abiyama's love is reflected in our actions, not just our prayers. Be kind, be wise, and respect all life to have access to good living. Ise, so shall it be. From Obi-Nukwu Chineke, the blessings of the universe. From Onye Ndu Ikuku Achinike, the messenger of the truth afterlife.